Are you trying to launch a sponsored display ad, but you see ineligible? This is a common bug. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. I'll show you what to do and how to get this fixed. This is the end screen of what you're going to be looking for to get the ad fixed. It's going to be in this drop down for ad performance and reporting. I'm going to walk you through how to get to this location. First thing you're going to do in the top right, hit help. Scroll to the bottom, hit get support. And instead of most like 95% of the tickets we file, we hit the selling on Amazon button. Instead, this time you're going to hit advertising in stores. If you don't see that drop down, you probably have a bug and file a separate ticket for that. On the left-hand side, then you can select which type of ad has an issue. So this case would be sponsored display. And then go into ad performance and reporting, ad eligibility issues. In the ticket, you just simply need to say something along the lines of, "Hi, please enable our ads for display currently bugged with no eligibility." And then I would recommend that you go ahead and attach the screenshot of the issue. The other thing I would do is I would give them an example ASIN, and I also would only do one ASIN per ticket. Usually you're going to have better performance on any technical issue when you go one-to-one with the ticket. So example ASIN, put that in there, whatevs, and then submit it. You don't need to put your phone number or anything like that in. You can just submit it and it's fine. So hopefully that's helpful for you. You guys, we run full ad management at My Amazon Guy. It's a very complicated thing to do to run ads on Amazon, especially with all the new ad segmentations. You got everything from display ads, which most people aren't even running right now, ironically, sponsored brands, custom brand headline image ads, custom category targeting. There's so many different things that you can do with your advertising. So if you want to look at hiring My Amazon Guy for advertising management, just go over to myamazonguy.com, contact us. We have a bunch of free information, both in our YouTube videos about how to set up each one of these ad segmentations. Video ads, those are super hot right now. Definitely check those out. In any case, hopefully you check us out or you get some helpful information on this. If you have a particular advertising question, don't hesitate. Leave it on the comments section. I'll shoot videos upon request. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.